Regular servicing is the best way to make sure your Audi continues to perform at the level you'd expect. Using Audi trained technicians and the latest tools and diagnostic equipment, we'll carry out the recommended service required for your car. Firstly, we'll drain and replace the engine oil using the lubricant specification applicable to your vehicle, and replace the oil filter using genuine Audi parts. If the levels are a bit low, we'll also top up your screen wash for you. The spark plugs will be replaced in any petrol engines that needs this work to be done, and will help your engine perform more efficiently. The fuel filter will be replaced on diesel-powered cars, which removes dirt, water and other contaminants from the fuel before it gets into the engine. We'll also replace the air filter, which will help your engine run better and prevent dirt and dust getting into it. While your vehicle is in the workshop, we'll complete a visual check of your car's major components. We'll have a look at the steering and suspension to see if there's any fatigue or excessive play in any of the components. We'll also check the condition of your brake pads and discs. And we'll measure the tyre tread depths. Tyres with shallow tread depths have lower grip levels. Your car's windscreen wipers and washer jets will be tested. We recommend the pollen filter is also replaced during the service. Air flowing into the cabin will be cleaner and have fewer pollutants in it. Finally, we'll check the general condition of your car's bodywork and advise of any scratches and dents. And we'll see if all the lights are working. We'll let you know if we find any parts that need replacing or will need checking soon, and we'll perform a full road test of your vehicle. Speak to a service advisor for more information about a major service.